Hey everyone, this is the unboxing of the 01 series 15 gallon per hour inlet and outlet stainless steel head ballast pump. There's not too many ballast pump manufacturers out there, so Seaflo wanted to join the game and we're really excited about this one. Mission statement, warranty registration card, explanation of warranty, and directions to hook up and use. As you can see, it's really well packaged, so it'll be protected during shipment. And it is a stainless steel head, which will avoid corrosion, which is great. The benefit of ours is that it can spin both ways, so it has reverse polarity. Benefit of that is that you don't have to buy multiple ballast pumps for one tank. So some of our competitors can only go in one direction. So in order to fill up the tank, you need one pump. In order to empty that same tank, you need another pump. So we take care of that by allowing this to go in both directions. It is a stainless steel head, as you can see, which will keep it from corroding. This is a great pump to have if you have a ballast tank. You need to fill it up quickly or empty it quickly. It has a lot of flow. The impeller is really robust, so it can go in both directions and doesn't burn up. If you guys have any questions or are interested in purchasing, please visit seaflodirect.com. There will be a 10% coupon code at the end of the video. Please use that, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.